Today I deliver the speech about education in mother language. Mother tongue education refers to any form of schooling which uses the language or languages that children are most familiar with in order to educate. This is usually the language that children speak at home with their family. Education children in their tongue will also build a strong home-school partnership in their learning. The National Education Policy 2020 needs to be taken into account, which states children in the early year will be taught using their mother tongue. Now they understand a solid need to understand the benefits of being tutored in one's mother tongue, so as to improve a sense of education. Respected President, mother tongue could play a crucial role developing the children's own cultural identity since they live in a society with people of different languages and cultures. The practice of punishing children for speaking a language other than the school language in the school always are at the school playing fields as deep historical roots. Children have been beaten, placed outside the classroom, are forced to wash out their mouth and copy land when they were caught speaking and home languages. These practices continue today in many languages. Respected President, often policy make school leader, teacher and also parents believe it is best for a child to start using their mother tongue in order to do well at school. Children learn better and faster when they are able to build on mother languages. In Balochistan, there are main three languages: Brahmi, Balochi, and Pashto. Our language is Brahmi.